Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
First, install the Clipboard Manager from the official source and run it. Open Settings and enable Auto Start so the manager launches at login. Set the maximum clips to 100 to limit memory use and keep history focused. Assign a global paste shortcut, such as Ctrl+Shift+V to quickly open the clip selector. Choose a default paste mode, plain text to strip formatting, or preserve rich text for styled content. Confirm permissions for accessibility or keyboard capture if your OS requires them. The Clipboard Manager captures every copied item until your limit of 100 clips is reached. Pin important clips so they stay at the top and never expire, and set retention to 30 days for unpinned items. Open the selector with Ctrl+Shift+V, then use arrow keys to preview clips and press Enter to paste the selected item. Use the search box to filter by keywords or switch filters for images, text, or code snippets. Tag clips or add favorites for faster retrieval later. Organize clips into collections or folders and drag items into categories for quick access. Create templates for repetitive messages and insert fields to speed up form filling. Enable sync across devices with one account and protect transfers with AES 256 encryption for secure cloud backup. Use pinned and favorite markers to prioritize frequently used clips. When pasting into secure fields, enable paste delay options or paste as keystrokes to avoid auto-detection. Regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.